Some stars live longer than entire civilizations will ever exist, while others die so violently that they briefly outshine whole galaxies. And right now, somewhere in the universe, a star is collapsing into a black hole without anyone seeing it happen. Every atom in your body was once inside a star. Your oxygen, your iron, your calcium, all forged in cosmic furnaces billions of years ago. In a very real sense, humans are made from the remains of dead stars. A star's life begins inside enormous clouds of gas and dust called nebulae. These clouds drift through space for millions of years until gravity slowly pulls the material together. As the pressure rises, the center becomes hotter and denser until nuclear fusion ignites. That moment creates a star. The instant fusion begins, the star enters what astronomers call the main sequence phase, the longest period of its life. During this stage, stars constantly convert hydrogen into helium, releasing unimaginable amounts of energy every second. Our own sun is currently in this stable phase, and scientists estimate it is about 4.6 billion years old, with roughly 5 billion years left before it begins to die. But not all stars live the same lifestyle. Small stars, called red dwarfs, are the ultimate survivors. They burn fuel so slowly that some could live for trillions of years, far longer than the current age of the universe itself. In fact, scientists believe no red dwarf has ever fully died yet because the universe simply isn't old enough. Massive stars live very differently. They burn hotter, brighter, and faster. Some stars use up their fuel in only a few million years. These cosmic giants are reckless spenders, pouring out energy at terrifying rates. As stars begin running out of hydrogen, gravity starts winning the battle inside them. Their cores collapse while their outer layers expand massively. This creates red giants and red supergiants, stars so enormous they could swallow planets. Scientists believe when our sun becomes a red giant in about 5 billion years, Mercury and possibly Earth could be engulfed entirely. Then comes the most dramatic part of a star's lifestyle, death. For medium-sized stars like the Sun, the ending is relatively calm. The outer layers drift away into space, leaving behind a glowing core called a white dwarf. It no longer produces energy but remains incredibly hot for billions of years. Massive stars, however, die violently. When fusion can no longer support the star against gravity, the core collapses in seconds. This creates a supernova, one of the most powerful explosions in the universe. A single supernova can release more energy in moments than our sun will produce during its entire lifetime. These explosions create many of the heavy elements needed for planets and life. Without exploding stars, Earth and humanity would not exist. But the universe recently revealed something even stranger. Astronomers now have growing evidence that some stars skip the explosion completely. Instead of going supernova, they silently collapse into black holes and simply disappear from view. In 2026, scientists studying a star in the Andromeda galaxy found evidence that it faded away without the expected explosion, supporting long-standing theories about failed supernovas. And the discoveries are getting even more extreme. Researchers also found evidence for a theorized type of stellar explosion so powerful that the star leaves absolutely nothing behind: no neutron star, no black hole, nothing at all. The entire star is completely obliterated. Meanwhile, astronomers recently observed one of the universe's largest known stars rapidly changing form in ways that challenge existing models of stellar evolution. A giant star called WOG-64 transformed from a red supergiant into a yellow hypergiant surprisingly fast, leaving scientists questioning whether our understanding of massive stars is incomplete. The lifestyle of a star is a cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth. Stars create the elements for planets. Their death scatter those elements across galaxies. New stars form from the remains of older ones. The universe recycles itself endlessly. Right now, somewhere in deep space, a new star is being born while another is collapsing into darkness forever. And one terrifying fact remains true: if our sun disappeared today, humanity would not even realize it for 8 full. If humans are literally made from dead stars, does that mean the universe found a way to become conscious of itself? Follow for more mysteries hiding inside the universe.